All right, I'm really excited to show you what we have today. Let's talk about the Vendasta platform. Automation fuels modern revenue. And together with your team, Vendasta transforms your sales efforts into a scalable, repeatable, and predictable revenue machine. Today, we are launching powerful new sales, marketing, and billing features that are going to enhance so much of what you can do. And those come together with a set of new workflow automation recipes that make work easy and delightful for your entire team. Let's get started with the all-new, one-of-a-kind, hyper-customized email design system. With Vendasta's reimagined email builder, you can automatically deliver dynamic and personalized content to your prospects, highlighting their biggest pain points. It shows them actionable insights about their business that they simply can't ignore. And with our new user-friendly interface, it's easier than ever to create stunning emails that are always mobile-friendly. Now, the problem with email marketing is how impersonal it can be. In a sea of generic marketing spam, how do you stand out? Let's pretend I'm the owner of the agency Mountain Media. I have 500 leads in my current CRM, and from this CRM, I can only send my leads static emails that look like this. Same email, maybe with a few changes, the first and last name, and that's it. Some might call it spam. Let's instead use Vendasta to send them each a totally unique and valuable message without having to customize each 500. They look like this. Much nicer. Here, let's take a look. Importing is a breeze, and with Vendasta's new custom fields, adding every last drop of your customer's data is easier than ever. Now let's build an email campaign. Give it a name and customize our first email. Check this out. All of the editing capabilities are on the left, and as I make changes, I'll get an instant preview on the right. I can easily add an image, text blocks, tables, dividers, buttons, and pretty much anything else you can imagine. And I can see how it'll all look on mobile devices as well. But here's when the magic really happens. Under rich text, there's a few powerful customization options that'll bring your email marketing to a whole new level. The snapshot grade component shows your contact a dynamic score about their business's online reputation, social media, or presence. Using this means I can send each of my 500 contacts an email that contains unique content specific to their business. How cool is that? And the salesperson contact card adds an email signature that's unique to each of my salespeople. Nice. See? You don't have to be a designer to build emails that look great. And better yet, they're anything but spam, since each email is totally customized to the unique needs of my contacts. All thanks to the power of Vendasta. Vendasta's new email builder releases today. And just for attending Conquer Local Connect, we have a special offer for you. Reach out to our sales team to understand how you can get free snapshot reports that you can start using with your campaigns right away. Our support team is on standby to help you upload your first list of contacts. Next up, let me show you how you can now use Vendasta to focus on your highest value customers right away, while still continuing to drive revenue through our customers with hands-off, self-serve processes. Remember those 500 leads we want to send an email to? When we added them to Vendasta, we stored a lot of information in custom fields that helps us understand how valuable these leads are to our business. Annual revenue, founding date, number of employees. We can use that information in Vendasta's automation system to segment our accounts into those who get more of our salesperson's time and those who we're happy to have self-serving if they want. Right now, my agency is a little busy, so I only want my salespeople interacting with prospects who have $500,000 a year in annual revenue. We're founded more than 5 years ago and have more than 3 employees. Those high-quality leads are going to get a high-touch experience from our sales team that we will discuss a little later. Those leads who don't meet my criteria but are showing interest in our email campaign get an automated free trial of our Express tools, an email campaign that teaches them how to use the tools, and an unlimited access to our business app. They're even designated as a prospect, so our sales team can find them easily when they have a bit more time available. If our prospects want to purchase something right now, no problem. Our store inside the business app has a curated selection of do-it-yourself tools our prospects will be able to get a ton of value out of without a ton of time. Custom field and lifecycle stages are available today for you to start focusing your sales processes. But what about those high-value leads we identified earlier? We want to make sure that our salespeople give them the proper attention, but we don't want to burn these leads either. We can use our sales team automation workflows to help manage the what, when, and how of our process, and prompt sales conversations when the interest is highest. First things first, let's create an opportunity in Vendasta's CRM so we have a detailed record of our pipeline for forecasting now and analysis later. We can assign it to the right salesperson, include the products we are selling, set a time to close, all details exactly as we want it without our salesperson having to fill it out. Now, our automation is going to let our salesperson know exactly when the perfect time to reach out is, thanks to our AI-driven notifications. In this case, it's because our prospect clicked on an email campaign. Our salesperson gets a notification via email that takes them directly to the prospect's profile. Then they are assigned a task to reach out by phone, and they're given a due date so they know which work to prioritize. Once they connect with the prospect, they can check off that task, and their next sales task for that prospect is automatically created. No management required. The perfect salesperson. Use Vendasta's new sales team automation workflows to manage the what, when, and how. Automatically tell your salespeople exactly what to sell to your prospects, when the perfect time is to reach out, and manage the entire process end-to-end with new automated tasks and triggers in our CRM. Now that we have sold to our customers, it's time to collect payment and deliver on our promise. Arranging unique payment schedules and terms and coordinating with our fulfillment teams can be a nightmare and a waste of valuable time. Thankfully, with Vendasta's new billing and invoicing features, we can serve our customers efficiently while making sure payment works on our terms. Let's look at the two customer types we identified earlier. For our self-serve customers who are buying from our marketplace, we want to spend as little time as possible on administration, pre- and post-sale. And that's no problem. They can make their first purchase through their shopping cart using a credit card, and then they are automatically sent a receipt, all while we receive money deposited into our bank account thanks to Vendasta's integration with Stripe. For payments going forward, we will automatically charge our clients on renewal date with no extra steps required. We're protected if there are issues with a payment too. If payment fails, we'll send them a reminder and automatically cancel their products so we're not on the hook. For those customers who are getting a little more hands-on approach, we can create truly individualized invoices and payment terms. I'll be invoicing this customer bi-weekly for the next 4 months. Or maybe instead I'll split it up to 2 lump payments over 6 months. Whatever invoicing options we choose, I have an automation set up so my fulfillment team won't start working for this customer until we successfully receive payment. We are so excited to announce this new flexibility in Vendasta orders and billing. Multiple and recurring invoicing are available today. Creating and scheduling invoices is easier than ever before. And there's lots of ways to start utilizing automation in your sales processes, which will let you focus on the high-impact work you need to do and get rid of the rest. After Conquer Local Connect, try adding one of these workflows right from our template library and editing it to fit your sales process. You can build the best version of your business with Vendasta.